COVID-19 reappeared in China with a cluster infection related to a wholesale market. Beijing is doing its utmost to contain the virus. Some experts suggest this particular strain could be much more infectious than the one in Wuhan. Bo-kyoung explains further.
The coronavirus has returned to China's capital, Beijing. Chinese health authorities reported on Tuesday that another 27 cases linked to the Xinfadi wholesale market had been confirmed the previous day, bringing the total over the past few days to more than 100 cases.
Since the epidemic occurred at Xinfadi wholesale market on June 11th, there have been 106 new confirmed domestically transmitted COVID-19 cases. The epidemic prevention and control efforts in Beijing are in a severe situation.
The city has announced a state of wartime management to contain the virus. Parts of Beijing are under lockdown on Monday, and testing is underway on 200,000 people who visited the wholesale market. Meanwhile, China's Global Times cited the deputy director of Wuhan University's pathogen biology department, who said that the coronavirus strain at Xinfadi wholesale market could be more infectious than the strain found at Wuhan's seafood market, considering the significant rise in the number of confirmed cases in just a few days. The newspaper also cited a researcher from the Beijing Center for Diseases Prevention and Control, who said the virus strain had come from Europe. The origin and the extent of the outbreak are still being investigated. The World Health Organization called the outbreak a significant event and expressed concern over how quickly the virus could spread through the city.
Beijing is a large city and a very dynamic and connected city, so there's always a concern. And I think you can see that level of concern in the response of the Chinese authorities. We are tracking that very closely.
The chief of the WHO urged countries that have demonstrated their capacity to suppress the virus to stay alert to prevent the possibility of its resurgence. Bo-kyoung, Arirang News.